my mom studied computing engineer. So from like 30 years ago, like 20 years ago, but she already had the mindset that computing science and computer engineer is gonna be the future. So how can I invest on that? And so she kind of realized that I know this is the future, like how can I invest more in the internet? So of course she found Bitcoin just by looking at investments on internet, and she found stocks first, and in the stocks she found Bitcoin, she found Chiba, she found many other coins too, and she learned all of them, and she did research on all of them, and she tried all of them, and she had like failed on many of them except for Bitcoin. Bitcoin was never one that she had a bad experience with it. And she started listening to podcasts, and what she learned at the beginning was like, with Bitcoin I can make money. Because also in Venezuela, people would have a lot of mining facilities, the mining machines, and people would mine in Venezuela to make money, not to generate Bitcoin and save it as a store of value, that type of mindset. No. And it was not because we want this to be a medium of exchange. No, it was, this is a new business. That's how people would see it. So my mom was like, okay, if I don't have a miner, can I just invest and then trade and make money at that time? And then she continues learning. She just tried it, right, with the information that she had at the moment. And then she started investing and holding it. That, in that moment, is when she came to me and she's like, Analys, I realized that Bitcoin is for holding. Bitcoin is a long-term investment. We cannot think that with Bitcoin we're going to make money short-term. It doesn't work like that. That's not what it's made for, etc. Like Bitcoin can literally help us achieve financial freedom if you hold it for more than 10 years. So she started with it. And it's like, Mom, interesting, but how are you investing? And she's like, I'm using Coinbase and I'm loving it and blah, blah, blah. So she will always share her experience. I will ask her questions. And when I moved to the United States and I graduated from university and I got my first job in Bitcoin, which the way it came, it was more as a business partnership project with this Bitcoin company that I'm like, I don't know, but let me try. I mean, I'm curious about it. And then after a month, I became a full-time employee because I really loved it and I couldn't stop thinking about, this is the mission that we're going for. This is the problem that we're solving. And I can see myself doing this for a long time right now. So basically I quit every other project I was working on and joined full-time.